and I want to ask if anybody of the patient, you didn't feel at least 50% of instant result.
Hiciste las prácticas y quería saber si alguno de vosotros, de los pacientes, nos sintisteis al menos 50% de mejoría.
So congratulations, you did good. Everybody more than 50%. That's really good. Congratulations. Okay, so now I'm going to check. You were patient? Okay.
Yes.
So they treated you. Now is everything gone?
The pain.
¿Qué tal ahora?
Sí.
Sí que
Solamente un 10%, a lo mejor.
queda un 10%.
Okay, so if it's just 10% left, I'm sure everything is good. So just need to let it work. But actually, can you quickly show me your 10%? Where is it?
Y si queda un 10%, espero que se van dejando trabajar. Pero me puede enseñar dónde queda el 10%.
Aquí.
Aquí. Okay. And then let me see what they did. Okay, kidney. This is more stomach than the liver. Okay, I just want to correct.
Ahí estamos más en el estómago que en hígado.
Please. Shh. Thank you. So in this area that is still painful, I think it's in between, actually UB. It's more on the UB. Okay, it's more on the UB channel.
Está más en el meridiano de la vejiga.
So I need to, if I want to finish the work, then I want to check, and I do check they did use the kidney.
Yes.
Okay, opposite side, so this is correct.
Y voy a verificar lo que hicieron y usaron un riñón del lado opuesto, que está bien.
But this is a little bit too distal comparing to the where is the remaining pain.
Y ahí está un poco demasiado distal comparado al dolor que está quedando.
So I will add one more needle, trying to get rid of this remaining pain here.
Entonces voy a añadir una aguja más para quitar ese dolor.
So I add one more needle, a little bit more proximal on the kidney channel.
Entonces pongo una aguja que está más proximal en el meridiano del riñón.
And then you can move a little bit.
Ya lo puedo
Tell me
mover.
where is your pain.
¿Y dónde está el dolor?
It's okay. No more.
Okay, no.
No more? Okay, very good. Give me 5. Thank you.